Hello. Today let's do a chutney paneer tikka. Now let's begin doing the same. For the chutney, let's first grind the chutney. We require coriander leaves, pudina, green chilies as per your taste, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, ginger and 3 to 4 cloves. Let's make a fine paste of the same. For the paneer tikka, I have taken these cubes of paneer, bell peppers yellow and green, tomato, almost 1 tablespoon of curd. I've nicely beaten this, and then this is almost 1 tablespoon of powdered milk. This gives a nice texture. And of course the grinded mixture, which is pudina, mint, ginger, cloves and garlic, green chili. This is a chutney of the same. So the chutney paneer tikka, we will start doing the same. First take the curd, add some milk powder and thoroughly mix this. Once this is mixed and it is a creamy texture, let's add the chutney. Now let's add the green chutney. So this is how it is. Add salt as per your taste. So for the chutney paneer tikka, the chutney is ready. Let us now drop in the paneer, bell peppers and tomato inside the chutney. And thoroughly coat each and every paneer with the chutney. So now it is thoroughly coated. Let this rest for about 30 minutes. Close the lid and let it rest for about 30 minutes. Then let's grill the same. So let's start doing the tikka, for which I've taken these tikka sticks, which is a bamboo stick. It's available in the market. So let's start doing it. So let me first put the bell peppers, paneer. Okay, I've dropped in some onions, and then the tomato. You can add one more paneer. So this looks like this. So let us keep this ready. Let me keep it ready. The paneer tikka is ready to be fried. I do not have a grill, so I've just taken the normal. I've taken a normal pan. I've put about 2 teaspoon of oil, and I'll drop down this paneer. You can hear the sizzling sound. Let it fry till it is golden brown at one side. Then we will keep turning the same. I have turned this. You can see at one side it is beautifully golden brown. So let me turn. Keep the gas in sim. You can see it is golden brown from all the sides, so we can remove it. The paneer tikka is ready to serve. Let's do a small twist. The paneer tikka is ready to serve. Serve it with the green chutney or the mayonnaise. Now let us do another recipe with the paneer tikka. That is paneer tikka masala. Now the paneer tikka is ready. Let us do the masala. So let's begin with it. The paneer tikka masala, I have taken some oil. For that oil, while it is hot, I'll put some jeera. Jeera is frying. I shall put some onion which is roughly cut, because anyway we need to grind the same. So let this fry. For this, add some cloves and 1 piece of cinnamon. Now I shall add tomatoes, which is again roughly cut. Fry it till the tomatoes are almost soft. For this, I shall add a pinch of turmeric powder, red chili powder, half teaspoon, garam masala almost half teaspoon. Let it all fry together. So you can see the tomatoes are smashed. At this stage, I will put some cashew nut. This gives a rich flavor for the gravy. Just fry this for about a minute or so. And then now let us grind this into a fine paste. In the same pan, I will add some oil and some jeera. So let the jeera fry. Jeera is frying. Let us add the grinded masala. The onion, tomato, clove, some of the garam masala, red chili powder. These are which we have roasted and then grinded into a fine paste. So let this masala nicely fry. For this masala, I will suggest the leftover chutney what you have done, we can add about 2 or 3 spoons of the same. Let it boil until the oil separates. Add salt as per your taste, and if you require further spiciness, you can add red chili powder. The masala is nicely boiling and the oil is also started to separate the pan. At this stage, I shall just take the paneer tikka which I have already prepared and drop it down with all the veggies. And slowly toss it with the masala. Let this boil for about 5 minutes or so. and then the paneer tikka masala is ready to serve. So this is boiling for the last 5 to 7 minutes. At this stage I shall add some coriander leaves. Now let's off the gas and do the plating. Paneer tikka masala is ready to serve. Let us put a dash of fresh cream. So 2 dishes. One is paneer tikka masala, which you can serve it with the green chutney or the mayonnaise, and we have done paneer tikka masala.